Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm filling in my eyebrow using the Benefit Precisely My Brow in shade 5 to fill in all the spaces that I need to do. Just shaping it, giving it the precise shape I want. Filling it up, darken it as well. Dark the places that it's not filled. And now I'm cleaning up my eyebrow using the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NC45 to just make it neat and nice. Using the NYX eyeshadow base all over my lid. Next, I'm using this yellow shade from this Morphe Jaclyn Hay palette, and the yellow wasn't so what I wanted, so I moved ahead using this darker shade on this palette all over my crease line. Just blend it all over. And now I went to the brownish shade as well to just use it like clean up and blend together. I just blend the both together so I don't make it so dark. So I wanted this yellow, like I needed this yellow. So I went back to the yellow. I just used it on my upper brown, and then I went back again to use this darker shade, the same dark shade I used previously on my inner and my outer veil to just like make it intense. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter on the middle of my eyelid. I am not spreading all over, I'm just dabbing it on the middle. And after that, I'm gonna go in with the previous brush I used before to just blend the corners together, using it at my outer veil and my inner to just blend those two together. I went ahead and primed my face off cam, and next I'm using the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation to just apply all over my face using the Techniques brush. I like this brush so much because of the size. It's very easy to apply and it spreads so well without obstructing anything. So now I'm just applying all over my face, just dabbing it in. Guys, I actually prefer using a brush, like a dense, like kabuki or any other brush that is so dense to apply my foundation, because I find it better, the application at the end. I find the result after applying it much better than when I use sponge or whatever, that's how I feel. And you can see how flawless the look is. You can see it. To highlight my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in 380 to just highlight those places I want to highlight, and then I'll blend. After blending, I go back to the previous foundation brush I used to just kind of blend the concealer and the foundation together. And next, I'm setting my face using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Kunafa to just set those places I concealed. And next, I'm using this highlighter brush from Reed Techniques to just dab all the product in, like dab it in with the dabbing motion, just press and dab it in, like pushing them in, you know. And next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Tantor in medium to contour my face using a mini dense brush to just apply all over the places I want to contour. This is going to be very exciting for me because it's the first time I'm using it, and it claims you can use it as a contour and as a bronzer. It's a kind of a bit lick. It's not so dry. It's kind of creamy at the same time, a bit just at the middle, cream and dry at the same time. So it's the first time I'm actually using such a product. So let's see how we are gonna feel. And so now I'm just applying to places. I want to use it actually as a contour. So I am just going to apply to the areas and places I want to contour. After applying, I took my beauty blender to just blend it. And guys, as I was blending, I noticed it was so dry and it wasn't blending the way I wanted. Like I was literally fighting to blend it and it wasn't working. Like, oh, what's going on? What's going on? And I realized, okay, my beauty blender wasn't down. Okay, that could be the reason. But then I was feeling too lazy to go and dump my beauty blender. And I was just like, okay, let's keep on trying. And I kept on still. Oh, she ain't not doing any justice. I said, oh my God, what's going on? Okay, I kept on my face. I kept blending, pushing like my forehead. You have to get blended. But then I just like, okay, I am gonna spray or a certain spray will do the justice. So I went ahead and used the Fenty Beauty Sunstock bronzer to just kind of try. I'm still trying to just blend it together. So I needed a powder to just help me do some justice. You know what I mean? So I kept on pushing still on the blending issue. Okay, and I did kind of okay. There was some success there. Okay. Okay, girl. So I did, and it went well. Highlighting my face, I'm using the Juvia Place Heroine 1 highlighter to just highlight my cheekbones. Let it sparkle a bit. Yep, that's it. The bridge of my nose, my chin, like I like to do it like that. And next, my lips using the Fenty Beauty Lip Pen. Set in my face using the MAC setting spray. And we almost there. And now I'm just trying to get my hair slayed using the hot comb to just comb my hair. Yes, guys, here's the final look. I hope you guys really like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again very soon. Bye.